Okay, everybody, go run and get a paper. If you have got your paper, show it in front of the systems and the devices. Everybody with a smile. With a smile. Perfect there, perfect there. Neat, can we have a picture here? If you can press the thing, this is a picture perfect. We want to capture these moments. Everybody hold the paper and 3, 2, 1, smile. Perfect. Okay, here's what. So we are going to all follow my instructions. Listen to it very carefully. Okay, follow my instructions exactly the way I tell you. Everybody ready? Show me a thumbs up. Everybody ready? Follow the instructions. Okay. So first, take the newspaper and fold it into two. Fold it into two and tear the right side. Tear the right corner. Tear the right corner. Everybody, including the angels, Tejuneet. Now fold it again into half and tear the left side. Done, everybody? Fantastic. Now fold it another time. Fold it another time and tear again the right side. Perfect. Again fold it one more time. We'll give some time here. Fold it one more time. Fold it one more time and tear it again on the left side. So right, left. Okay, we have come to the left. And one more time. When it becomes too small, it might get a little bit difficult. Tear the right. If you cannot, just try it out. If you cannot, it's okay, no worries. Everybody done? Once you're done with that paper, hold it this way. Hold it in a heart shape and show it in front of the cameras. Perfect. Show it in front of the cameras. Really close and look at the pictures. If you can see, everybody, can you see each other's screens? Can you see each other's screens? 1 second. Yes. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Then open your paper. Open your papers and see if anybody's paper has come exactly like mine. Exactly like mine. Keep it up here and anybody's paper which has come exactly like mine, somewhere closer is Deepa's. Okay, just check it up. Somewhere closer is Deepa, somewhere closer is a little bit is closer is Ishan. For the rest of you, here's what, show it up if it is closer and show it up. Similar, but yet the sizes of, okay, it's almost, Teju's is similar, Seema's is somewhere closer, and we would like to see Neats. Okay, so here's what. Did everybody's paper come out to be the same? Please come in front of the microphones. Was the paper same? Really not. Really not. So what just happened was when I told you to do this activity, why did not we have the similar outcome? Well, as a leader, when I was doing this, take it for some time that I was the leader and I was trying to expect to have an outcome which was similar to each other. Okay? Why did not we all have the same outcome? Anybody? Raise your hands and tell me. Let's have it more interactive. Why did not all the papers come out same? Yes, Seema. Unmute.
The sizes of the papers were different, maybe.
The sizes could be different. Yes, could be. Yes, unmute and speak up. Yes, Shaurika.
We did not follow the instructions.
Yes.
You did
We
not.
did not follow the instructions well. Or
So-
maybe we were not paying attention.
We did not follow the instructions, not paying attentions. Good, could be possible. But it was as simple, right? Fold the paper, right, left. Okay, it was similar. Yes, Teju?
Exact folding was not correct. Means corner to corner touching and then that one. And one more thing is when we are cutting it also, the amount of cutting we are doing, so that must be also different.
That must also be difficult. Yeah, I mean, different, perfect. Yes, anybody? Speak out. Let it be interactive.
How much the tear has to be was not told.
How much the tear had to be done was not told. Okay, perfect. That is what Teju has to tell. Yes.
Maybe tearing once up, once down, I don't know, ulta.
Tearing once up down. Okay, the direction of the paper was not told. Okay, the direction ulta, it was told opposite. Yes, anybody?
As we folded into a smaller thing, then it was difficult for us to take.
Yes, as it got smaller, as the paper got smaller, it got thicker. And as it got thicker, it got difficult to cut. Could be one of the reasons. Yes, yes. So anybody else? Anyone else? One or two more answers. Anyone? Why we did not come out with the same outcome?
Yeah, I think even if we did it according to your instructions, I think everybody's interpretation is different, everybody's style is different.
Everybody's interpretation is different, everybody's style is different. Very good, very good. So can we have a round of applause for all the answers? All the answers, first of all. So this is, if you really go to see in life, whatever roles we play, and whenever we want an outcome in life, see, you might be playing different roles on a daily basis. You might be a mother, you might be a father, you might be a student, you might be a brother, a daughter, you might be working in organizations. And many a times, as we are humans, we want to have certain outcomes in whatever roles you play. And when you give instructions, the outcomes differ. What it means was, as a leader, when I told you about the outcomes, I had certain things in mind that the paper should look this way. But when the outcome comes, apparently it is something else. And this becomes the beginning of all the chaos. Now, as a team that we were working together, did you realize that how many of you stopped me and asked questions? All the things that you told me now could have been your questions. Harshad, stop. Was it the right corner? How much inches should I cut? Okay. It could be the same way. So communication. So even as a leader, I did not give you the right instructions. Take the right corner or to fold it in the first half. So if you see communication and instructions in daily life, this is what happens and this is what comes the outcome. And this is what becomes the beginning of like separation of the intentions, because we wanted to reach somewhere and apparently it reached the other places without, nobody can be blamed. And this is what it's all about, authority and responsibility. In management, there's always this thing which goes, can authority be delegated and can responsibility delegated? Now, as a leader, I was responsible to get a particular outcome from you all. When we take in terms of fitness as well, there is a particular outcome that we both came together. You as a student, we as a mentor, and you joined a platform known as Digital Fitness Hub. There was a particular outcome that was desired from this thing for all three of us as a team. You as a student, we as a mentor, and DFH as a platform. But what happened apparently was, as we walked along, the outcomes differ. What we had it in mind and the outcomes differ. This is the reason this is not, although it appears like a simple task, but there is so much to learn. If you really want to have the same outcomes as what it's desired, you have to practice a lot. As there is leadership quality, there is communication, there is minor detailing that happens. So when we played this simple game, although it appears like a game, but there is a whole meaning to it. So at least on Digital Fitness Hub, we will try to ensure, because as we are growing, we have to ensure that we grow together. And there has to be a lot of interaction every time. So what we would like to say is, even on fitness, especially with this platform, ask. Do not assume. Even for leaders, when we are telling you, we have to think, because each of you are different. Each one of us are different, right? We are individuals. That's the reason we are unique in this space. And it is apparently, this is where team efforts come in. And the teams who work as close as possible with the similar outcomes are the teams who actually win. If you see any game, football or a team game that has been played, the teams which can come with a similar outcome are the ones which come with the most successful things. So here's what. Now I'm going to tell you to do a simple one more thing. Now do a simple thing with your own devices. Hold your paper in whatever position. Take your device, take a picture, selfie of this along with the paper, along with you, and the link has been shared by Neet. You, before the class ends, you are going to post your picture and your learning. You still have 6 more minutes time. We are going to give you 6 full minutes to take a selfie, post it on the link, and type whatever learnings you have had. Your time starts now. Think and post your learnings. We'll play some good music here. Until you're doing that, we want to see everybody's. We have taken the attendance, okay? We don't want to miss out anybody. The attendance, that's the reason first selfie was taken here of the screen. We exactly know who was there. I'm not going to let you go off the class until I see your responses there. Got it? So please do it. Do not just go there and start having your teas